dab it on. A little dab will do you. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something that you might find shocking that I want to do, but it's using glue and yarn. We're going to make a gift. I'm thinking because it's getting close to gift time for lots of people, we can make these really cool yarn bowls, and all you need is glue and yarn, and then something, a mold for your bowl. I'm using this glass dish that we have, and some plastic wrap so you can get the yarn back off of it, and that's it. It's gonna be great. So we're gonna start off by covering our bowl with some plastic wrap. This is not a bowl that you could eat out of. It's more of a bowl that it'd be a decorative bowl. Put this bowl aside. I am going to put on my gloves today because we're doing more stuff later. I mixed my glue with some water already, just a little splash of water because I want to make sure, see how drippy it is. I just want to make sure I can get the yarn through it. Now, we're going to put some yarn in here, but we're also going to cover our bowl with glue in little spurts because I can't do it all at the same time. Ooh, this is a nice green piece. I am going to cut it with these scissors that are over here. Oh, I went to the end. Never mind. I'm not going to cut that one, but I am going to put it on my now gluey plastic. I'm going to wrap it around a little bit. So now, I'm going to just every time I do it, I'm going to keep adding glue.
I love that.
So I want to make sure everything sticks together. It does move, and you just keep putting it back down again. Oh, don't forget to cover your workspace, because if you could see what I'm doing over here, you'd see there's a lot of glue everywhere. Okay, again, another perfect size piece. Oh my gosh. I'm going to wrap this one around too, and then I'll start just putting blobs on. Okay, so I know we sped that up so you could see, but every time I put some on, so put some yarn on, then I go back with my sponge brush. I forgot to tell you, a sponge brush is a good thing to have too. And I'm dabbing more glue. Now again, with a lot of my gluey things, this is going to take a few days to dry. Yeah, so keep adding glue. Just dab it on. A little dab will do you. I could see that there are some holes in here, but I think it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfectly covered, and I think that kind of gives it a little more charm. Once it's dry and you look and you think, oh my gosh, I missed that whole big section. It's okay because you could just go back in and add more. But make sure that it's on the plastic again. Okay, this is seriously my last piece I'm going to put on. Okay, then the next step is to let it dry for a few days. And then, after you've let it dry for a few days, peel it off of your mold with the plastic on it, and then pull the plastic out. Imagine this is still on the mold. I pulled it off like this, and then I pulled the plastic out of it because all inside here was still wet. Okay, that is a yarn bowl. It's a really great gift if you have a lot of yarn that you're trying to figure out what to do with. Make a yarn bowl, make 20 yarn bowls, and give them as gifts for people this holiday season. All right, thanks for coming to see us, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, friends.